In this video, we will learn how to add a checkmark in Excel. Here I have 3 tasks under a to-do list, and we will add checkmarks next to them. Step 1. Insert a checkmark symbol. 1. Select the first cell next to task 1. 2. Go to the Insert tab. 3. Click on Symbols. 4. A box will appear with a list of symbols. Now in the font drop-down, search for Wingdings. In this font, you will find different types of check marks, a plain tick, a check mark inside a box, and many other symbols. Let's select the plain tick and click Insert. It will be added to the cell. Step 2, insert a checkbox, style mark. Now let's do the same for task 3. This time, select the check mark inside a box symbol and click Insert. Step 3, copy the check marks. If you want to repeat the same check mark for the rest of the tasks, you can simply copy it by dragging the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right of the cell, downward. Step 4, customize the check marks. You can change the alignment, color, and size of these check marks, just like normal text in Excel. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.